Hey guys, today I have two unboxings. One of the headphones and the Tracker 4. This will be an unboxing and first thoughts, and there will be a test video. As you can see, my knife is super dull. But this is the box. Okay, it comes with an instruction manual. More random stuff. Pretty good packaging. Not really quite sure how to open this. Got the coil right here, 8-inch I believe. Here's where it connects the coil to the rest of the assembly. Plastic, not that bad. Here's the control box, the grip. Let's just open this. There's thing, looks really nice. This is plastic, this is metal, and plastic back here. Now let's just get this coil out. There we go, there's the coil. Yep, 8-inch coil. And that right there just tells you what to do, but we already know that. So there's the metal detector. Now I'll show you the headphones that I ordered. These were only $11 in this crappy one. And this runs, the metal detector runs off of 2 9-volt batteries. Now, these are actually pretty sweet, pretty nice. These came with an adapter to go to 1/4, which this uses, just like that. Plug in. Yeah, so that is the unboxing of my headphones. These, by the way, if you want to order these off Amazon, yeah, they have volume control and all that. So, next video will be the assembly.